Remove all wrinkles naturally. Discover the yeast and water miracle for youthful, glowing skin. Look 20 again. This simple DIY mask with just 2 ingredients will erase wrinkles like magic. Start by placing 1 tablespoon of yeast into a clean bowl. Pour in 250 milliliters of warm water. This helps activate the yeast. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken the base and enhance absorption. Stir the ingredients until they are fully dissolved and combined. Gently cook the mixture over low heat, stirring continuously until a smooth cream forms. Transfer 5 tablespoons of this warm mixture to a new bowl. Yeast is rich in glutathione and selenium, powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals and boost skin vitality. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil nourishes, stimulates collagen, and restores elasticity to aging skin. Mix until your texture is silky and uniform. Add 1 tablespoon of almond oil for deep skin rejuvenation. Almond oil fades spots and heals damage caused by UV rays and pollution. Now add 1 tablespoon of pure honey, nature's moisturizer. Stir all the ingredients one final time until fully blended. Transfer your anti-aging cream into a small airtight jar. Apply generously to your clean face and neck. Use gentle, circular motions to massage it into the skin. Let the mask sit for 30 minutes while you relax. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Repeat this treatment 3 times a week for glowing results. Ready for another magical recipe? Let's go to the second one. Place 2 tablespoons of the prepared yeast mixture into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, fresh or store-bought. Aloe vera deeply hydrates, boosts elasticity, and fades fine lines. Mix gently to form a smooth, gel-like paste. Add 1 tablespoon of argan oil. Argan oil is a Moroccan treasure that tightens skin and fades wrinkles. It's also loaded with vitamin E and fatty acids that nourish skin deeply. Add a tablespoon of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil balances natural sebum and prevents wrinkle-causing dryness. Now add a few drops of vitamin E oil to boost skin repair. Blend everything until silky and luxurious. Apply the mixture evenly to your face and neck. Massage slowly to stimulate circulation and product absorption. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse gently. Use this powerful blend 3 times a week for youthful skin. Store the rest of your mask in a sealed jar in a cool place. Tell me in the comments, which country are you watching from? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty recipes.